Hi, good afternoon. This is August 13th of 2025. I had to run on an errand earlier today, and I went to Scheels. I live in Tempe, and my office is in Tempe, and there's a Scheels that opened probably about a year ago at the Chandler Mall. And for those of you who haven't been to Scheels, it's one of the greatest stores of all time. If you can't find it at Scheels, they don't have it. It's a great place to walk around, kill time. It's a great place to buy pretty much anything you could ever possibly think of. But as the largest criminal defense law firm in Arizona, we get tons of shoplifting calls. Um, I would say I'm shooting this video about Scheels just because I love Scheels. But probably 75% of our shoplifting calls are about Walmart, or they'll be at Sephora. Recently, we get a lot of Sephora ones. But more common as of late would be Scheels. Um, and so I got to tell you, if you're watching this video, it probably means that maybe you've been caught shoplifting at Scheels, or you know somebody that has, or hopefully you're not thinking about doing it. Because if you are, don't do it. They've got undercover security officers and cameras everywhere at Scheels. They know exactly what they're looking for. So don't think just because you're a teenager, or believe it or not, we get a lot of housewives, believe it or not, that shoplift. I don't know if they're bored, but you wouldn't think that if you weren't in this business. But if there's a lot of housewives that shoplift. If you think you're going into the store and you're being clever and you're being sneaky about it, and maybe you're slipping something in your bag, they're watching. They know how to profile people. They know exactly what they're looking for. So um, don't swap price tags. Don't put things in your bag and try to walk out. Believe it or not, you can even be arrested for shoplifting even if you don't leave the store. So under the law, if you put something in your bag and walk out, or to try to make your way out, they can stop you and then arrest you. And then in Shield, it's going to be the Chandler police that are going to arrest you. So you're going to have a case over at Chandler Court. Um, just to sidetrack a little bit, we all at Walmart, we get a lot of people at the self checkout aisle. I don't even know why they have self checkout aisles anymore because there's so much shoplifting, but we get a lot of that. But at Shields, don't do it, guys. I mean, um, you're going to get caught on average, and if you don't get caught the first time, you're going to get the courage to do it a second time or a third time, and eventually you're going to get caught. And then if you go to Chandler Court, it's going to be a nightmare of a situation for you. They're going to convict you of shoplifting. They're going to convict you of theft. Hitting your record is going to be a significant blemish. So good luck finding a good job, because they're going to say, hey, this person's not trustworthy. Don't hire them if they're shoplifting. So don't do it. But if you did get caught, call us, because we can make this a learning experience. We can try sweep it under the rug for you, so you don't get jail time, you don't get probation, you don't get the criminal conviction on your record. So there's a lot we can do with this. But I try to keep my videos topical. Like I've been posting with some recently about some athletes that got arrested. But I was at Shields this morning. I was like, oh, we get so many of these calls. Let's shoot a video about Shields. And hopefully, if you watch these videos, you get a sense I'm a very approachable person. I am the owner of the firm. It's a 10-lawyer firm. We're the largest in the state. But I'm approachable. I get recognized in public a lot. So if you ever see me in public, just walk up and say hi to me. Or if you're calling our office and you want to do a consultation with me specifically, have one of our assistants say, hey, I saw Matt's YouTube video. I want to talk directly with Matt about my case, and I walk you through it. Don't shoplift. If you do get caught shoplifting at Shields, if you get caught shoplifting at Walmart or Sephora or anywhere else, give us a call, and call us sooner rather than later, because if the loss prevention gets in touch with you, or their lawyers get in touch with you, or the police department, or the attorney's office, the prosecutor's office, it could be too late. So let's get ahead of this thing, okay? So call us for a free consultation, 602-980-1987.